In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a language dictionary with auto synonyms in Notion in just 5 minutes. This is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to enrich their vocabulary or even create a custom dictionary with related synonyms. Let's get started. First off, we'll need to head over to your connected workspace in Notion. If you haven't logged in yet, don't worry. It's a quick and simple process. Just click on the Login button, which you'll find in the top corner of the Notion homepage. Once you've successfully entered your workspace, you're ready to start your project. Next, we'll move on to Notion's homepage. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to set up your language dictionary. Take a moment to get comfortable with the layout if you're new to Notion, as it will make the process more intuitive. Once you're ready, use the search bar at the top to look for the language directory. Typing this into the search field will help you quickly find the resource you'll be working with. Once you've located the language directory, it's time to select a template. Notion offers a variety of templates designed to make your project more manageable and visually appealing. Choose the one that best suits your style or needs. Keep in mind that templates are fully customizable, so you can always tweak them to better fit your goals later on. Now, let's add the selected template to your workspace. You'll usually notice an Add button, so simply clicking it will bring the template into your Notion dashboard. This step is pivotal as it sets the foundation for your custom language dictionary. With the template added, you're now ready to start making the tool your own. Editing the template is where the magic happens. Here, you can input words that you want in your dictionary, along with their definitions and synonyms. Feel free to be creative and thorough with this step. Think about what you want from your dictionary. Are you looking to compile technical jargon, simple everyday vocabulary, or perhaps another language entirely? This part is highly customizable, and you're encouraged to play around with the settings to find what works best for you. And that wraps up our tutorial on setting up a language dictionary with auto synonyms in Notion. With these straightforward steps, you've created a personalized and dynamic resource for expanding your language skills. Be sure to keep updating it as you learn new words and synonyms to keep it current and useful. Thanks for joining me today. Feel free to explore further uses of Notion for other projects or tasks you may have. It's a versatile tool, and with a little creativity, the possibilities are endless. See you next time.